my channel. If you guys want to know how I did this glueless, guys, see, glueless, okay, how did this glueless install? Okay, stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe. And in today's video, I'm wearing Dola hair. I'm gonna be putting all the information about the brand right here under the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start with the video. So boom, I'm gonna move closer. This video is gonna be a very quick installation video. You know, I don't want it to be too long because we have to go out. Okay, so I want to make sure that I have enough on, like, right here on this area, just because I don't want it to show, like, wait, okay, then I'm gonna just go over it just to make sure that it's fine. Okay, this is gonna be my first time doing a bowl sculpt, so bear with me. You could, you know, put the band. You could do the band, but I don't have time to do the band. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to adjust the stripes right here. So one, no, hold up, I think one. I'm going to see if I'm going to need foundation or not. Okay, two. Did I cut the line quickly? See, I don't need no glue, guys. I'm loving it. But we're having a little bit of technical difficulties because... Hold up, this hair is too far away, first of all. I mean, the band, like... Okay. Okay, all right, so I guess it's fine. What do you guys think? I think it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna do a middle part right now. So, you know, it's very glueless. I wanted to do right here, But every time I put the lace too close to my forehead, it just ends up showing too much. So damn, yes it is. Okay, by the way guys, I wet the hair, I wash it. This is why it looks like this, but in the beginning the curls were beautiful. I'm gonna see what I can do. Okay, I think it's giving what it's supposed to give. Was it not raised or morning? The part that I hate the most is honestly doing a middle part, yeah. Like, I won't even lie to you. Doing a middle part is very stressful. Okay, so guys, this is the final look. You know, I honestly love how this turned out. You know, so the hair is all the way over here. You know, it's pretty long. In case you want to straight, I believe you can also straight. And you know, it's right here, the hair. And yes guys, so this is what the texture of the hair looks like. And don't forget to like and subscribe.